Hey, hey, hey! Here we are in Frankfurt at IMAX exhibition. All hotels, meeting facilities are here, representing thousands of hotels, of companies coming from all over the world. But you see, it's a live atmosphere the second after COVID. All the world is here. Only that we have one problem in our meeting of associations. There was an idea that the future of the meeting is not on site or in person. There was an association, arbitration institute, a huge association that decided no anymore meeting on site, in person, or participating physically in a meeting. Why? Because the CO2 emitted by airplanes are too high, and simply we have to stop flying on the airplane. Basically, we should stop flying, we should stop moving, etc. But the issue, and this is on the name of sustainability. Why this is not correct, and for me it's not sustainable? It's very simple. Thousands of hotels around the world that makes their life based on traveling will cease to exist. The organization that deals and manages this exhibition will cease to exist. Many other organizations that are based on travel, including travel agencies, they will cease to exist. Is this sustainable? Actually, it is not. We stop traveling by plane, then we'll have huge unemployment. Everybody will have a family member unemployed, and it is simply not sustainable. And this is the world. This is the right word. Saying sustainability for something that is not sustainable is the worst you can do. Imagine all this industry will be shut down. There will be no more traveling. There will be no more moving from one place to the other. Sure, you can use train, you can use bicycle, but you cannot go from one country to the other by bicycle or pass the ocean by train. So the planes will be there. Why it is that? So the solution, for example, passing all these countries. The whole purpose is here to attract people for tourism and meetings. And if you shut down all this industry, this is simply not sustainable. And sustainability, it is the real one. It is FLOGEN Sustainability Framework. The solution is not stop traveling. The solution is using science and technology to produce low-cost fuel, to make airplanes run on hydrogen, and there are plenty of other solutions. And this is science-based solution. Stopping the airplanes, it is simply unsustainable and actually does not make sense. This is just ideas that popping around without any consistency and makes the world looks really stupid. Without traveling, the world today will not exist. To be sustainable, we have to engage science to produce airplane with hydrogen or other fuels that do not emit CO2. So saying simply that you will be sustainable stopping traveling anywhere in the world, it is simply not sustainable. It is simply not something that will make the world flourish. If everybody stays in his own village and do not travel, imagine how the world will look at. It is simply an utopia. It will not happen. But there are so many people that are trying to say no travel, no travel, no travel. No, it's science. Science should produce low-cost fuel, low CO2 fuel, or even running airplanes with hydrogen. And this is what SIPS is about. We have been dealing with energy for so long time, since 2003, and we have dealt with this situation before. That's why our event is called Sustainability Through Science and Technology. It's technology that will solve the issue. That's why if we are short of time, we should run after the technology. We should pay universities and technology companies to achieve the result faster and faster. And please stop saying we should not travel by plane. It is simply not sustainable. We'll have everything shut down. Nothing of this will exist. And look how beautiful it is to finalize it.
Kolay gelsin.